Hi, good day everybody. Now today we're gonna cook tom yum goong. So a simple version from me. So these are the ingredients that are required. This one is tomato, and this is lemongrass, onion, one bulb, and then this is garlic, about 3, and then this is cauliflower. This one is spring onions. These are carrots, and this one chili padi, but I chili, and then this is green chili. And then after that we also have other ingredients that we put in, seafood in particular. This is scallop. You can put scallop. If not, you want to put fish, hot fish also can, whatever that you like, any kind of seafood, be it shell kind or not. Yeah, so this is crab meat, and then this is prawns, and we need this much of tamarind and 1 bowl of water like this. If later I will show you how much water is needed or required depending on how many people are eating. Okay, this one is the tom yum paste which I've got from Thailand, but you don't need to have this. You can go to any of the supermarket, you can find the tom yum paste in a bottle. That's fine too, and you can take about 2 or 3 spoon depending on how much you love the spiciness level. Okay, and then we need to have this as usual, the blended ingredients of garlic, onion, and ginger, which I've blended and always put in a container like this. I will only need to use about 2 spoonful of this, and then chili paste as well to make the color of the dish nicer, and also to make it spicier. Okay, now this one depending on whether you want it spicier or not again. So I usually take 1 of this. Okay, so we will begin shortly with showing you how to cook. Okay, let's hit the wok. Okay, I'll show you how the procedure, or rather step by step, to cook tom yum goong juice version. Okay, we start with the oil, about 1 ladle. Okay, so okay, and then we shall put in the garlic first. Okay, garlic first. Go in the garlic first. Okay. Let the garlic turn slightly brown with the aroma. Let's put in the onions and the chilies and the lemongrass. Okay. You can put in the blended items, yeah, with the blended ingredients, which is the garlic, onion, and ginger. About 2 spoons. Okay, 2 spoons. For me, I like to have the color of the gravy nice and red, so I put 1 spoon of chili, grounded chili, yeah, blended chili, dried chili actually is blended. Okay, then followed by the paste earlier. So this paste earlier, followed by the tom yum paste. Okay, so put in the tom yum paste. Just like this. So put in the tom yum paste into it. And I forgot to mention to put in the oyster sauce. Oyster sauce, about 1 tablespoon. And also, I love the ikan bilis cube, to put in 1 ikan bilis cube. Okay, from here, this brand. Okay, so once you put all all that blended and stir well. Okay, you can put in the other ingredients in, okay, like the laksa leaves, carrot. Just need the carrots to be cooked, and followed by water from the tamarind earlier. This is one bowl of water. Okay, so you see, one bowl of water isn't enough. So what you will have to do is to add more water. Okay, so one more bowl of water to make it soupy. And if it's still not enough and you want more, you take another bowl. Okay, so another bowl. There's a family of 4, usually need at least 3 bowls. Okay, and then next you put in all the seafood, the prawn, the scallop, and also the crab meat. Let it boil, and then you can put in the ingredients. Once it starts to boil, you can put in all the veg ingredients. Lastly, followed by the seasoning. Okay. Now it's already boiling, so we will put in the other ingredients like the cauliflowers, and then the tomatoes, and then lastly the onions. Spring onions. Okay, sometimes when you cook, like you are out of words because this one is not a cut information but live but it will turn out well. All right, so you just enjoy the process and cook with love. Okay, so the salt is 1 and 2 teaspoon. Okay, not spoonful, teaspoon. And then followed by, for those who like to put Ajinomoto seasoning, so 1.5, not too much. Okay, so that's it for now. You see, and it's all done. See you later. Enjoy, have fun cooking.